Hey guys, hope you guys watched last week's video. If you did, you made a crap ton of money. As of right now, I am trying to watch the market a little more closely because we posted this level in our Discord, as you can see here. Where was it? Here, yesterday, and we said this is the new level to watch for a potential bounce opportunity, which is this 4041 area. We got super close at the end of the day. Power hour, we dumped a little more. So I do think we get some sort of relief bounce, maybe a retest of this channel breakdown before continuing downwards. If we do make this upside bounce, we should expect a huge market downward move. Again, if you watched last week's video, we said that if the market holds below a certain point, it will continue downwards. And we also spoke about the VIX being within this huge parabolic curve here, and that we should expect huge volatility coming up. Me personally, if you watch me on TikTok, I think within the next 7 months or so, the market should be dumping, and on the SPY, we should see 315. ES, the futures index, we should get to this level right here, which is A equals C measured move. So again, timing the market is completely impossible, and if anyone tells you that they could time the market, they're probably lying. Well, actually, they are for certainly lying. But the reason I came to that conclusion of 7 months is just an estimate of how long this move decided to take for it to get to the bottom. So usually if A equals C, it should be equal in time. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but I am shorting the market coming up if we do get this relief bounce. We did short it already, and we also played calls on a down day like yesterday or Friday. Wait, today's Saturday. We played. Wasn't that thing up to like right here before?
Yeah.
Oh, you moved it up.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what I want to wear. It's just,
Oh.
I didn't want to wear my shorts if they're uncomfortable.
Oh. So I do think that the market will continue its way down. And if you look at our alerts here, we sent out multiple 27, 24% gain, 15% lost, and a 13% gain, and a 65% gain on calls after it bounced off of our demand level. And we took snow calls for 200%. As of right now, I think the market level to watch would be a reversal here at this 4041 level. Looking for it to tag around here. There is no open imbalance until this level here. So it's kind of hard to be convicted on this move down after it tags, but it could be just a prior support level turned resistance right here and confluent with the fib retracement before we get more downside. On the VIX, again, we are tagging a supply level, so I do expect some sort of downward move on the VIX, which should equate to a move up on ES before we could short it again. The wave 3 should end around this 388.8 level. So again, you have to wait for pivots to form for you to know where the market's going. This looks like a clear wave 1, WXY for wave 2, and now we are on our first move down for wave 1 of 3. And as it continues to develop, you will have different subcounts for each Elliott wave. If you look here, see it shows a degree, and then you get from micro to minute, minor, intermediate, etc., etc. So it will keep continuing to develop as long as we continue to make new pivots. But as of right now, I think we get a short-term relief bounce before more downside to complete this wave 3. As of right now, these are the levels that I am looking at. In terms of a potentially bullish count, we could look at, I don't think so, just simply because of how red and impulsive that move down looked, and it was so sharp. So that is a characteristic of a wave 3. For a bullish count, it could potentially be this, but I really, really doubt it, because that move down right here is way too sharp for it to be a bullish count, in my opinion. But if this is a bullish count, this would be wave 1, 2, and then we got a 3. As long as we do not touch or intersect wave 1, this could still be a valid wave 4 correction before one more leg higher to complete. Regardless, the long term is still bearish. But as of right now, it could go both ways, although I am siding more bearish simply because this move, again, is a characteristic of wave 3, it being so sharp and corrective. It looks good for a wave 3. But anyways, that's my update. Again, I'll be in Italy next week, so I'll try to keep you guys updated as much as I can. But safe trading, y'all. Bye-bye.